What is the cardan bar and how does it work? The cardan bar, also known as a universal joint or constant velocity joint, is a fundamental part of the power transmission system in automobiles. Its design is based on the possibility of constantly transmitting torque to the wheels, despite irregularities in the suspension and movement of the wheels. The universal joint in an automobile is a key part in the power transmission system, allowing flexible connection between the differential and the drive wheels. Its operation is based on a series of articulated shafts that compensate for changes in the angle of inclination of the differential and the suspension of the wheels, thus guaranteeing an efficient and constant transmission of engine torque. The main function of the universal joint is to allow flexible connection between the differential and the drive wheels, ensuring that engine torque is transferred efficiently and without interruption. Being located between the differential, which receives power from the engine, and the prop shaft, the cardan bar acts as a flexible transmission device. Its operation is based on a series of articulated axes that make it possible to compensate for changes in the angle of inclination of the differential and the suspension of the wheels. These articulated axes are formed by crossheads or joints that allow the angular movement of the internal parts. When the engine generates power, it is transmitted through the prop shaft to the differential. The universal joint, being connected to the differential, receives this torque and transfers it to the drive wheels. As the vehicle moves and the wheels hit bumps or uneven terrain, the universal joint allows the wheels to move regardless of differential lean angle, preventing interruptions in power transmission. The universal joint is essential in cars with rear-wheel drive or in those with four-wheel drive, since in both cases it is necessary to transmit the engine torque to the rear wheels. In addition, it is also used in some front-wheel drive vehicles, especially those with longitudinally arranged engines. In addition to its primary function of transmitting engine torque, the universal joint also provides other advantages in a car's drivetrain. These include 1. Mobility and flexibility. The universal joint allows the wheels of the vehicle to move independently while maintaining the connection to the differential. This helps maintain contact with the road and provides better traction on different types of terrain. 2. Vibration reduction. The universal joint helps to reduce vibrations and twisting forces that are generated during power transmission. This is because its articulated components are capable of absorbing and damping some of these forces, which in turn provides smoother, more comfortable operation for vehicle occupants. 3. Consistent transmission of engine torque. The universal joint allows engine torque to be transmitted consistently and evenly to the drive wheels, regardless of driving conditions. This ensures optimal engine performance and improves fuel efficiency. 4. Durability and resistance. The cardan bar is designed to withstand the forces and stresses that it is subjected to in the transmission system. Its components are made of resistant materials, such as high-quality steel, which provide durability and resistance to wear and mechanical stress. In short, the universal joint in a car is an essential part of the power transmission system, which allows a flexible connection between the differential and the drive wheels. Its main function is to transmit engine torque constantly and efficiently, while absorbing vibrations and providing mobility and flexibility. This important component contributes to a smooth and comfortable vehicle performance and ensures optimal operation under different driving conditions.